Now the next topic is move entities. I would like to move this group of entities from one location to other location. We can select the entities first and you can go to the command move entities, or first you go to the command and you can choose the entities. Now I had selected the entities. The first one is you can enter value by giving delta x and delta y, or I can choose from to, that is I need to choose from point where you want to locate this. And when you are moving it, you have one more advantage of snapping the endpoint also. Once you complete this, there is one more need. I need to make multiple copies of this entity. I'll select this. I'll go to copy entities, select a point here. I will make a point here. Oh, okay. I will use XY and here I will say 20 and Y I don't require. I will use repeat. You can see here how much increment you need. You can enter here and you can make a copy out of this and click OK here. The next step is I would like to rotate this and I want to scale this. Rotate, select this entity, or you can select this whole entity and you can say this is my origin and you can just rotate this. Which angle you need, you can rotate this. And once you complete the rotation, you can right click or you can choose this option to drag and to place the angle which you need to rotate. And once I complete this, I would like to reduce the scale which is used in most probably when you want to apply machining allowance. Here in sketch we need to reduce the scale proportionately with the existing sketches. You can go to scale entities and this is my origin. Which origin I want to use with this origin, and I'll say it should be 0.5. We can see it has been reduced and you can use copy so that you can create number of copies required. I'm sorry, we need to make it as 1.5. And now you can see if I increase the numbers, we can see the intermediate copies will be created. 2. Which one I need? I need only 1:2 to 1.2 ratio and this to be only one copy. Use only one copy and click OK here. And it has been copied here. This is all about moving an entity, copying, rotating, scale and stretch. Almost what you do in the drafting software, everything you have in Sketcher in front of SolidWorks, where you can perform any type of complex sketches.